Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to create a report for your account information on WhatsApp right from the desktop app. If you've ever wondered how to check the details Facebook or WhatsApp keeps on your account, this new update makes it super simple to do right on your PC, no phone required. Let's jump right into the steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account before continuing. On the left side of your WhatsApp window, you'll see a small gear icon. It's usually near the bottom of the sidebar. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the settings menu. Once the menu opens, look for the account section. This is where you'll find all options related to privacy, security, and account details. Click on account and then select request account info from the list that appears. Inside this section, you'll see an option to request report. This is the feature that generates a detailed report of your account information, including things like your profile details, activity, and basic account settings. Click on Request Report, and the process will begin instantly. Once you have made the request, WhatsApp will take a few days, usually about 3, to prepare your report. When it's ready, you'll get a notification inside WhatsApp letting you know the report is available for download. It comes as a zip file that you can download straight to your desktop and review anytime you want. Remember, this report is for your personal use only. Sharing it could expose your private data, so keep it secure. And that's it. With just a few easy clicks, you can now access your full account information report directly from WhatsApp on your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to explore more tutorials like this one to make the most out of WhatsApp's latest features.